Hi everyone, today myself Sunil Kumar Jaiswal, solution specialist in manufacturing at Capricorn Technology, bring you to our weekly Tech Tuesday on how to use Anycad feature in Fusion 360. There is a small information from Capricorn Technology. Capricorn Technology, a Winjuro company and a partner of choice for the AEC industry, is one of the biggest platinum partner of Autodesk and Bentley. Along with authorized training center, we have 300 plus inspired team members. Capricorn is serving over 20,000 customers in AEC and associated industry, along with other industries. And Capricorn is a now part of Arkansas Group. So any CAD feature, this is intended to be a slide for situation where a customer may have other solution to show that Fusion can work seamlessly with their existing CAD solution. As we can see that this is inventor screen and this soft is open in inventor. So if we change anything in in this file, it will automatically real-time update in Fusion 360. Then how it will uh, see in Fusion 360? Let's see. So first of all, we have to uh, edit in this file. So suppose I am creating a rectangle, just finish it, and I am creating extrude and okay. Just save it. After that, this Autodesk server Fusion 360, and we have to upload that latest file, upload new version, and here this soft file open. It will take a few seconds for uploading this file. After that, we have to open Fusion 360 software. It will already open, and after opening, we will see this yellow pop-up. It will update one child component to latest non-milestone version of milestone version if available. We have to click in this icon, and this is top of the bar. Just click on it, and it will take a few seconds. And uh, we have already some changes done by the software of inventor. It will automatically reflect in Fusion 360 real-time update. Just it will take a few seconds and we will see it will automatically updated. We can see it will automatically updated. So guys, for more videos and update, do subscribe our channel Capricorn Technology Private Limited and like and comment if you like the Tech Tuesday video. We would be delighted to hear from you. Please reach out to us for you any suggestion, query or topic you would want to discuss. See you next week. Take care. Bye bye.